Welcome back to AWS Cloud Services series. In this session, we are going to see how to create a user in IAM service. We are also going to see how to fetch all the users from IAM. For this, you will need a STS tool. So before going for a code, you will need a dependencies to download. For this, open your pom.xml, add your IAM SDK dependency, save it, go to your main class file. Here we are going to start for a code, and first of all we need to create a object of basic AWS credential. Here you have a new keyword with constructor to pass your access key and secret key. So how to create access key and the secret key from AWS portal, that I have described in previous video. You can check that video to recall. I will give the video link in the description box. You can pass in this way the access key and the secret key with this basic AWS credentials constructor. In second step, we need to create an object of Amazon Identity Management object. Here Amazon Identity Management Client help you to get that object. We need to do dot builder. Here I'm going to use with region AP South 1, and after that we are going to pass with credential with the help of using with credentials method. Here you need to pass AWS static credentials provider, and you can pass your basic AWS credentials object here, and you can add with build. And from here we are going to see how to create a user with the IAM SDK. And for this we need to create an object of create user request. Create user request. Here you can pass username. Suppose I'm going to give a name Danny. First of all, I would like to show you I have only one user in users. So AWS console, go to IAM service. In users you can see I have only one user, that is Sagar with the admin. Now go back to code. So to get a created user result, we need to create a create user result object is equal to, here we need to pass our created client dot create user by passing the create user request as a parameter, and you can see out by showing the result of created user successfully. Now you can run this program. So before running this program again in your AWS users, I have only one user, that is Sagar. Now go back to your code, right click on this file, go to run as and select Java application. We can see it in console. As a result, you can check this, the user has been created and it's showing its path, username Danny, user ID, it has given some unique value, and with created date. Let's go to AWS console and check. Now you are in users, refresh the user page. Here you can see the Danny user has been created. Currently you have two users, Sagar and Danny. Now we will see how to list the users. So go back to your code, stop the server for now. Now comment all the code which create the users. Now we need to create an object of list users result. Here by using the client, that is Amazon Identity Management object, dot list user method will help you to get all the users from IAM services. Here you can create a for loop user colon list users result dot get users. In curly bracket you can sys out all the users. We can use user dot get username will be fine to verify. Save it. Now again right click on the file, go to run as and select Java application. Here you can see in console Danyan Sagar, which is already in my users. In AWS console you can cross check. That's how easy to create a user and list all the users from IAM service. If you understood this concept, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, hit the like button and share it with your friends.